This is a thank you to Eddie Brinkman, the only SPSP mummer who made an attempt and arrived at my performance at the Bourse. Even though he arrived late, at least one person showed up at all. Thank you, Eddie. Forecasts are conflicting for a few sources. I have NWS I have NWS, I have the National Weather Service, the NBC 10 and not NBC 10, I have the Weather Channel and AccuWeather. All are saying different things, but I see similarity. The similarity is a storm could occur this week from Thursday night through Sunday through Monday morning. Give or take about 12 hours or so. Take about 12 to 24 hours on the other side. Could be early, could be late. We'll see. The next storm will occur sometime around Christmas. It is becoming increasingly likely that we will have a white Christmas. It just depends on the temperature and the amount of snow we get. It probably will be pure snow, but there will be some ice mixed in as well. A winter weather advisory was issued for the storm the other day, which was perfect. The winter weather storm watch was a little overrated. It's too high of an alert for a threat so minuscule. They were probably more concerned about the 0.2 inches or 0.25, about the quarter of an inch of ice accumulation, which calls for a mandatory mandatory winter storm watch. Though they could have issued an ice storm warning and attached a winter weather advisory to it. A wintry mix. I wanted to do this as a wintry mix is when wintry precipitation mixes with pure rain. Snow, sleet, freezing rain, wet snow, and rain are all types of precipitation that can occur in the winter. So, when you're out in a storm, just be aware what the precipitation is, as well as the effects. I'll tell you now based on the forecast I have, I can give you more specific information on each storm.